Are you looking for the best humidifiers for baby? In this video we will look at some of the best humidifiers for baby on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi MIJIA Humidifier. The 4 liters capacity is equivalent to 16 bottles of 250 milliliters mineral water, which can last for 30 hours in the first mode. No need to add water frequently. This product has a 185 mm diameter water inlet on the top, which can be easily and deeply cleaned. The water tank has a scale. The amount of water added can be easily seen. Adding water is easier. There is a water shortage protection device inside, which automatically detects the water level and automatically stops when there is water shortage. Silver ion antibacterial technology can reach 99.99% antibacterial ability. Smaller noise, 38 decibels. Low noise does not affect sleep. Add water from above. No need to open the lid. More convenient to add water. Number 2. Xiaomi 1.2 liters Dehumidifier. Xiaomi 1.2 liters Dehumidifier and Air Purifier 2-in-1 for home, for room, for kitchen. Mute moisture absorbers, air dryer, moisture proof. Number 3. SUSWEETLIFE Cleaning Machine. Industrial fog atomization sterilizer, sterilization and odor removal in addition to formaldehyde cleaning machine. Climbing pet. Number 4. KINSCOTER Air Humidifier. KINSCOTER Air Humidifier wall plug, 220 volts, 110 volts electric humidifier, large mist volume, 3 liters aroma diffuser, remote control timer. Number 5. 110 220 volt, 16 liters Humidificador. 110 220 volt, 16 liters Humidificador. Industrial humidifiers, air purify, commercial, home, fruit, fresh, keep mist maker.